Enough of this, skirmish, battle,
No,
irritant,
I think we've known
nonsense, irritant. That was
Yeah.
your word, irritant.
Yeah.
But we're calling it a trade war, okay? That's what the president just called it. That's what we're calling it. How does the trade war factor into all this?
I would love to see a trade agreement. I'm not optimistic that we're going to get one in 2019. I think China and the U.S. are playing the long game on this. And as much as you don't want to say battle, I think each one of these steps is a battle won, but not the war. So the war is not over.
But you're not negative on the market. So how does the market overcome that in 2019 if there's no agreement?
I think the market is going to continue to have some of these headline risks. And if it's a positive headline, that's great. It'll maybe drive a rally for a couple days or a week. If it's a negative headline, same thing. And 2019 is going to be characterized by more of these swings. I think we end the year up, but it's not going to feel that way. I think it's really going to test everybody. Low single digits.
Okay, so you are low single digits upside next year.
Yep.
And your downside is Armageddon on the flush. So why would you possibly tell anybody to be in the market? Why not sell everything now?
Well, you don't want to sell because you're going to miss all those rallies then on the upside, some of those short-term rallies, and you don't want to sell and just not participate in anything.
But at the end of the day.
But this is not necessarily such an outlier view. Don't forget, there's, Marianne Bartel's with us this week. You're going to get bear market returns, and then you're going to hit 2,900 on the S&P next year.
I've been saying.
Mike Wilson, right? You get a cyclical bear market with it, and then you just the bull market, just picks back up.
Sitting in 75% cash, I've been saying that the market here is flat to down, more likely down. But if I had a scenario where I'm up, I look at risk reward of everything I go into. What's my downside? That's actually what I look at the most. If my downside is significant, my upside is negligible.
Hey, there's nothing absurd about saying we could have this whoosh back, down 2,400 or whatever, and then people are going to come in and say that's just absurd. That's way too overdone.
But why not go to cash today? And when you get that whoosh,
well, because then you're going to have to time. Then you're going to have to time it.
It's impossible. It's impossible to time that. So what you need to happen is
you hit. But if that's conviction, that case, that's what you want to do.
Well, what you want to see is you want to hit the bottom, and then you have professional buyers come in and say, fundamentally, there's nothing wrong here. And in order to get that bounce back up, you need somebody to take the other side of the trade.
This is the Paul Tudor Jones. You 10 up, 10 down. If it goes 10 down, I'm going to buy, in his words, the hell out of it. Right? I'm just saying that's the sort
until
of
it gets there. You know how many times I've heard people say that? And the reason why it gets there is not why they expected it to get there. And so they don't buy it. They actually sell some of it.